Welcome to Seagrass News, your leading global source for the latest updates from our world's oceans and aquatic environments. From groundbreaking scientific discoveries to critical ecological reports and deep dives into marine life, we bring you comprehensive coverage straight from our broadcast studios. Stay tuned as we explore the mysteries beneath the surface and the stories shaping our blue planet. And now, here is your host Mr. Seagrass. This time, I am going to talk about seagrass ecosystem. What is seagrass? Seagrass meadows may look like simple underwater grass, but they are one of the ocean's most important ecosystems. Seagrass is not seaweed. It is a true flowering plant with roots, stems, leaves, flowers and seeds that has adapted to live fully submerged in seawater. Seagrass characteristics is that it grows in shallow, clear coastal areas, such as bays, lagoons and estuaries, where there is enough sunlight for photosynthesis. Its roots and rhizomes anchor into soft sediments like sand and mud, helping to stabilize the seabed. These underwater meadows play a crucial ecological role. The dense leaves create a three-dimensional habitat that acts as a nursery ground for many species of fish, crustaceans and invertebrates. Juveniles use the seagrass as shelter from predators and as a feeding area, which boosts their chances of survival. At the same time, seagrass supports complex food webs. Some animals, such as sea turtles and dugongs, feed directly on the leaves, while fallen seagrass breaks down into detritus that nourishes small invertebrates and microbes, which are then eaten by larger predators. Now let's move on into the fisheries and threats of seagrass meadows. Seagrass meadows support global fisheries by acting as vital nursery grounds where juvenile species find shelter before migrating to deeper waters, while also serving as direct harvesting sites for artisanal fishers to catch shrimp, crabs, and shellfish. The first major threat to seagrass ecosystem is poor water quality. All those coastal development, land reclamation, and dredging can completely remove seagrass. When the habitat is gone, fish lose their shelter and feeding grounds. Other than poor water qualities, physical damage is one of the major threats to seagrass ecosystem. Boat anchors, trawling, and careless fishing practices can rip seagrass from the seabed, leaving long scars that take years to recover. There are three main fish that lives in this seagrass ecosystem. The white-spotted rabbitfish, scientifically known as Seagrass canaliculatus, possesses several specialized physical adaptations that allow it to thrive in its marine habitat. One of its most distinctive features is a laterally compressed body, which is streamlined and thin to enable easy maneuvering through dense, crowded seagrass blades. To support its herbivorous diet, this species is equipped with small, sharp incisor-like teeth that are perfectly suited for grazing on seagrass and scraping away algae. Furthermore, the fish utilizes cryptic coloration to stay safe. By blending in with the surrounding vegetation, it effectively disguises itself from potential threats and significantly reduces the risk of predation. The white-spotted rabbitfish, Seagrass canaliculatus, serves as a vital ecological gardener and a bridge between marine habitats. Primarily herbivorous, this species maintains the health of underwater ecosystems by grazing on macroalgae and seagrass epiphytes, a process that prevents algal overgrowth from suffocating seagrass meadows. Their life cycle begins with adults spawning offshore, after which the larvae drift in the plankton before settling into seagrass nurseries. These meadows provide essential food and shelter for juveniles, significantly boosting their survival rates before they eventually migrate to coral reefs. By performing these dual roles as habitat maintainers and migratory links, the white-spotted rabbitfish ensures the continued resilience of coastal marine environments. The pink-ear emperor, scientifically known as Lethrinus lention, possesses specialized physical adaptations that allow it to thrive in its marine environment. A key feature is its strong jaws and molariform teeth, which are specifically designed to crush hard-shelled prey like crustaceans and mollusks. Additionally, the fish features a streamlined body, a structural evolution that promotes efficient movement and reduces drag as it navigates between different habitats. Together, these traits ensure the pink ear emperor is both a formidable predator and an agile swimmer within its ecosystem. The pink ear emperor, scientifically known as Lethrinus lention, is a carnivorous fish with a specialized diet and a fascinating life cycle tied to different marine ecosystems. These fish primarily feed on benthic invertebrates found within seagrass sediments, hunting for prey such as crabs, worms, and small mollusks. This feeding behavior highlights the importance of seagrass beds as rich hunting grounds for the species. As the pink ear emperor matures, its habitat needs shift significantly. Adults are typically found living among coral reefs, but their early life depends on a completely different environment. Juveniles utilize seagrass meadows as vital nurseries, where the dense vegetation provides essential protection from predators. This reliance on seagrass during their formative stages underscores the critical nursery role these habitats play in the overall life cycle and survival of the species. The common silver biddy, known scientifically as Jer's oyana, possesses unique physical adaptations that allow it to thrive and survive in its aquatic environment. One of its most distinctive features is a protractile mouth, which is capable of extending downward. This specialized mechanism enables the fish to effectively suck prey directly from the sediment on the seafloor. In addition to its feeding strategy, the silver biddy has evolved a defensive advantage through its appearance. It features a silvery body that is highly reflective. By reflecting the surrounding light, the fish is able to reduce its visibility to potential predators, providing a natural form of camouflage in open water. The common silver biddy, scientifically known as Jer's oyana, is an omnivorous fish that thrives by feeding on small invertebrates, detritus, and organic matter found within seagrass beds. Its life cycle begins when spawning occurs in coastal waters, leading to a juvenile stage where they commonly dominate seagrass meadows. These seagrass areas serve as a vital nursery, providing a safe environment that supports rapid growth before the fish eventually migrate to open coastal habitats.